Have on our play, and let me show you how to enter the EMUI Recovery Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Then let's wait and use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up, and keep holding both keys until the EMUI Recovery Mode pops up. Let's keep holding both keys. And now you can release it. As you can see here, you can accomplish a couple of useful information. You can choose wipe data factor reset or wipe cache partition. Basically, you can navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose reboot system now and press power button to confirm it. Wait until your device will be ready to use. Alright, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.